Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise. Today I'm going to talk about high-ticket dropshipping, the top 3 Shopify high-ticket dropshipping tips that I have to offer for brand new high-ticket dropshipping entrepreneurs. So you're looking to start a dropshipping business. Well, you're going to need to know these 3 things before you get started. Number 1, there is a key price point that people buy online that will make you profit. And it's not those $3, $5, $10, $20 items that you see on your Instagram feed. It's the $500 to $1,000 products that you don't even know probably exist. So that's first point right there. Number 2 is there's a certain target market that buys those expensive products, and that target market is who you need to reach out to and who you need to market to when you sell. And number 3 is that there's actually tons of brands that will provide you with products to sell online on your Shopify store. And it's pretty easy to find them, and it's really easy to reach out to them as well. And to get an account with them is not that difficult. Now, if you want to learn more, definitely go check out freedropshipcourse.com. It's a course that I created myself to teach you all the things that I've learned over the last 10 plus years of e-commerce experience. The first 5 of which was trial and error, and the last 5 of which was mentor guided. And so I've learned a lot in the process, and I'd like to share it with you. Definitely go check out freedropshipcourse.com today. Sign up for the free course and get started learning all about the price point, the target market, and the brands so that you can get started on your high-ticket dropshipping course today. We'll see you guys in the course. Take care.